kitchen and flippy bracelet. Woohoo! Today we are going to make chocolate cupcakes for Valentine's Day. So we're gonna make this easy. So we got a box of chocolate powder for a cake, and I'm just going to open it. That was easy. La 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 la. Oh, okay, that was easy. So I put some cupcake holders in this pan, and I made my chocolate batter, and I put it in this cup. Now I'm gonna pour it in here. Ah! I think that's good enough. Yeah, I think so. Yummy! Yummy chocolate, yummy! Yummy chocolate, yummy! Yummy chocolate, yummy! Yummy chocolate, yummy! Chocolate! Chocolate battle cupcakes. Boom! Boom! So the chocolate cupcakes are out of the oven, and the whole house smells like chocolate. So I got a bowl full of some white frosting, and I have some hot pink food coloring. I'm just gonna put a little bit in there with a toothpick that I got, but it doesn't stain on me. Mixing time. Mixing time. Mixing time. Mixing time. It looks so pink and beautiful. Looks like a pink and white zebra. My pink frosting looks so beautiful. So now I'm gonna cut this top half off. Woohoo! Okay, that worked out well. So I cut a nice straight piece off. Now I'm gonna take the cookie cutter and cut it in there. Da-da, da-da, da-da-da. So now I'm gonna put a nice layer of frosting on my cupcakes. Okay. So now I'm gonna put the little heart shape back on again. Boom, boom. And now I'm gonna put on this white plate that's like we used in my other video. So now I'm gonna put little tiny sparkly red sprinkles on the frosting. Woohoo, yeah, party time, people. I think that's good enough. Ta-da! I made a nettle flavor that you can use. I put some peanut butter inside the regular white frosting, and It kind of tastes like peanut butter cup. Now I'm gonna put it on. Swore time! Woohoo! Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Do 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 do. Do do. Do do. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun. I'm done doing that. Now I'm gonna put some of the same sprinkles that I did on the other ones, but just a little. I think it's good. I think that's good. Now for the taste test.